Muthenya wa keri wa igeranio cia KCPE na KPSEA, Minister wa Githomo Ezekiel Machogu niwe utongoririe maabitha angi thirikari-ini kunyabara mihang'o ino guothe bururi-ini. Thinashara cia rucini arugamiriri a ceceni cia igeranio mauma konteina-ini cia igeranio thiini wa sub-county niguo kwamukira kigeranio kia ithomo ria science aria twaranirie nao magitariria mogaruruku maria matafanitio ni kanjo ya igeranio ari hamwe na uria igeranio ici ithaitwo.
This time round I think NEC has improved because there was a difference in color, the seal and the cartons.
Better they would put it one package, as in per school they introduce a very big carton so that I can just come pick my box so that I can just inspect very fast and go.
Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa kanjo ya igeranio David Jegere urio kurugamagirira mihang'o ino mwena wa Westlands guku Nairobi, mogaruruku maya ni mabata hari kurigiriria ciiko cia wici wa igeranio.
We are transitioning from KCPE to KPSEA, so inevitably there have to be two exams done this year and last year. Next year they'll have it very easy because they'll only have KPSEA.
Thegia ya mbura nene iria irathie na mbere icigo-ini imwe cia bururi, mihang'o ino ikoretwo igitwarithio na mbere o wega. Machogu akiuga gutire murutwo kuhingiririo gwika kigeranio, akiuga thirikari ni kwarira mibango ya gutigirira arutwo aria mekuremererwo gwika igeranio ni undu wa itumi itiganite ni mateithiririo kuingira thiini wa ngathi iyo ingi ya mathomo.
As of now, we don't have any number of anybody who is not able to do the exam because he or she is sick.
Between now and the time we release the results, we shall make sure that we shall have created mechanisms of supporting these children to transit.
Mbere ya igeranio ici gutiriho muthenya wa rucio, Ministry ya Githomo ni iranire gucokaniriria ithabu ria arutwo aya hamwe na aria ni undu wa itumi itiganite matiandikithirio gwika kigeranio gia KCPE mwaka uyu.
We told our directors and our teams on the ground to make sure that these candidates are in the centers that we are expected to register them so that we can make alternative arrangements of them sitting for this exam.
Ona gutwika gutire na ciiko cia wici wa igeranio cinyitikanite, andu eri ni maikitio ngono magikuruhanio na igeria ria wici wa igeranio.
We had two cases in Garissa and Rachonyo, and the DCI moved in and arrested those persons. They are going through the motions of finalizing investigations and they'll be aligned in court.
Thutha wa igeranio cia umuthi, arutwo mari na kigeranio kimwe tu muthenya wa rucio, mihang'o ino igitanywo gutirihwo thaa 5 cia rucini niguo kuhe kanya mehariria makigeranio gia KCSE kiria gikambiriria muthi wa mwambiririo kiumia giukite.
Say that if the secondary school center managers, the supervisors, invigilators and everyone can do the way the KCPE and KPSEA people have done it, we have absolutely no reason to worry.
Hadini hakameme TV, jitagogena wawadirwa.